dBs Institute's Music Performance and Production degree is designed for contemporary performers who want to develop as confident artists, creative producers and versatile musicians. You'll gain hands-on experience in professional studios and performance environments, building the technical, musical and professional skills needed to thrive in the modern music industry. You'll receive regular one-to-one tuition on your primary instrument, with tailored support to help you refine your technique, expression and musical confidence. This is complemented by group sessions that explore performance techniques, stagecraft, theory of musicianship and creative production. As part of a suite of 10 interconnected music degrees, you'll collaborate with producers, engineers, songwriters, composers and technologists on creative projects that mirror professional practice. In Year 1, you'll build essential skills in performance, music theory, studio production and musicianship. You'll take part in group performance workshops and receive individual instrumental tuition focusing on technique, timing, expression and confidence. You'll also gain practical experience in recording and mixing and begin to understand how performance, technology and creative decision-making intersect. In your second year, you'll expand your performance abilities, deepen your production skills and begin shaping your artistic direction. You'll continue to receive one-to-one instrumental tuition alongside core modules in performance development and research, as well as a range of optional modules that reflect current music practices, including commercial music creation, composition and arrangement, immersive audio and performance technologies. Your final year is all about bringing together your skills as a performer and a producer, defining your artistic identity and preparing for professional life. You'll complete 2 major self-directed projects, one focused on building an industry-ready portfolio that showcases your creative output, technical ability and professional approach, and another that explores an area of innovative practice. Further advanced optional modules will also be available to study, supporting your career goals, whether that's collaborative practice, leadership, music education or performance system design. Students graduating from our Music Performance and Production degree are empowered to pursue their passion for live performance and professional studio production, setting the stage for an exciting career in the music industry.